Hello everyone, so here is locksmith widget app by sendit, and this app is going in the top charts actually. So the idea is that you can use this app with lock screen widgets. What are those? So to enable those you need to have iPhone and install iOS 16 or later. This is kind of like a new feature where you can access some widgets on your lock screen. So the screen which you see while your phone isn't unlocked yet. So yeah, it's kind of interesting new feature. And then this app, what it offers is just, you can type something for your partner's lock screen. So what you do, you just install this locksmith widget. And first thing you need to do, you just need to add your partner. So give access to your contacts, whatever, and then just tap add someone. This is how it will look like. Then you just add a friend. And then, you can just type something for your partner's lock screen. Like, why would you do that? What's the point of it? Of course you can message someone in Messenger, WhatsApp, whatever. But here is just, you will see that message instantly on your lock screen. So you don't need to unlock it. Maybe it's like, there is nothing new to this and it's just like, just another someone just tries to reinvent standard messaging. But as I understand, this acts like a lock screen widget, and it's available on your lock screen, and you will instantly see that. And then probably you can reply also in that lock screen without need to unlock your phone. So that's a new trend in iOS. A lot of users actually like it. I don't know, if your phone is locked and someone sends you a message, and then of course obviously everyone can still see that message because you're on lock screen. And for some apps like WhatsApp or other apps, you can hide notifications, so you can see that someone sent you a message but nobody can see the content of that message. Here the person will just see the content of the message instantly. So if you leave your locked phone somewhere, like in school, somewhere and work, people will be able to see these messages. So just be aware of that. But it's still fun. So ship to people who would be a cute locksmith couple, and then you can just again add some people from your contacts. So then you can just do that, and it's like a matchmaker feature. So it's kind of also like a chatting/dating app here. And that's that. So unfortunately I can't show you much more. I don't have like a contact added here. Then there are like 3 dots in top right. There are more settings. I can change name. You can follow Instagram. You can delete your account easily. You can change the app icon and stuff like that. Something around it. Hope that can be helpful, and that's basically it. That's the app. Give it a try, and thank you for watching.